Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, dear students. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, now I am going to conduct your Agriculture Studies class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is the discussion of your assignment number 3 of Agriculture Studies class 8. Okay, so let's try to see it. Dear students, class 8 Agriculture Studies assignment 3. It's from your textbooks chapter 2 Agricultural Technology, and from lesson 7 concept of crop rotation, lesson 8 utilization of crop rotation. Okay, then assignment or assigned tasks. Gonemia produces different types of crops at 2 seasons in successively 2 years by dividing his land into high, medium, low. That means Gonemia cultivates his land by dividing it into few portions, and that's are high, medium high, low, or medium low, like this. Okay. By using following crops, Gonemia will adopt which crop rotation? Present it through a chart. The crops are jute, house rice, potato, cauliflower, cabbage, sugarcane, mashkalai, mung, mustard, and wheat. Okay. Then what is crop rotation? Number 3. How important is crop rotation in selecting the above crops? How does crop rotation play important role? How does crop rotation play role in land development? How logical is the use of Gonemia's adopted crop rotation in getting benefit of crop rotation? Explain. And in instructions, read the second chapter of NCTB textbook 2021 Agriculture Studies. Number 2, collect information from internet. Number 3, take suggestion from subject teacher. Number 4, take suggestion from guardian. Number 5, consult with nearest neighbor in your compliance with hygiene rules. This are all about assignment 3. Now let's come how to solve it. Dear students, question number 1 at assignment or assigned task is Gonemia produces different types of crops at 2 seasons in successively 2 years by dividing his land into high, medium, low. Okay, this is the stream. Then question number 1, by using following crops, Gonemia will adopt which crop rotation? Present it through a chart. The crops are jute, oats, rice, potato, cauliflower, cabbage, sugarcane, mashkalai, mung, mustard, and wheat. Dear students, you will get the answer of this first question at your textbook at page number 31. Here you may see that at second paragraph you will find its answer. So in second paragraph it's written that by seeing this kind of crops, it indicates that Gonemia produces the crops at Panchagad or Thakurgaon districts in our country. Then from here you will go to your textbook at page 31, paragraph number 2. You will write the answer from here. And dear students, for giving the chart, you will go the following page here, that means page number 32, first year, second year. Although here is told only 2 years, so you will give first year and second year's crops all about. Okay, what is written here? Only these crops would be written at the chart. Okay. Then number 2, what is crop rotation? You know that what is crop rotation. You have already written at your homework or at your assignment or at your exam. What is crop rotation? Then how important is crop rotation in selecting above crops? That means the importance of crop rotation. It's already done at your live class also, YouTube class also. How does crop rotation play important role in land development? It's also done at your class. And number 5, how logical is the use of Gonimia's adopted crop rotation in getting the benefit of crop rotation? Explain. Students, first of all, at the time of writing the answer of number 5, you will have to write that the method or the way of cultivation of Gonimia is totally logical and I support it. Then you will elaborate how it's logical or why he just divided his land into 3 portions and what are its benefits, like this. Okay, and your this assignment submission date is 11th September 2021. Dear students, I hope this assignment would be very much easier to you, so do it with great care. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.